Big up to everyone out there, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Happy Monday and happy holiday to everyone here as well. Here is holiday today, so yeah. Um, you know, um, I'm gonna talk about a few things about the squad. Yesterday, I did a video about the squad and Tariq Lamptey um, going to Ghana today. um, you know but I recorded that video yesterday, and due to one or two things very busy and I couldn't able to post it, so I'm gonna put it here for you to watch. Um, yeah uh, big up to everyone, lovely family and lovely friends out there. Happy Sunday to everyone out there. The latest news that I have for you guys, I came down breaking to you guys that Tariq Lamptey finished everything and is going to play for Ghana. And the latest news that is coming up is Tariq Lamptey will be going to Ghana uh, this week, either tomorrow Monday, or Tuesday. Yeah, I told you that I have, because when they call up, I was expecting for Tariq Lamptey to be in the call up, and it's not. The call up came out. Like I said, guess now on my video that if you still want the squad, if you go to Sikelu TV, you have all the squad list there. Like I said, the first video, that due to one or two things I couldn't able to come out with the squad. Yeah, so the latest news is that Tariq Lamptey will be going to Ghana tomorrow Monday or Tuesday, because I was a little bit surprised about when the call up came up and Tariq Lamptey was not in. I talked to my people that give me the information about the nationality suite about him, and according to them, they told me that Tariq Lamptey is going to Ghana tomorrow, Monday or Tuesday, and that is going to happen. I always sit down here, want to be sure about what I'm talking about. So, guys, tomorrow Monday, you're gonna see Tariq Lamptey in Ghana, either Monday or Tuesday, but possible it could happen on Monday. But what I'm getting from is tomorrow Monday, Tariq Lamptey is going to be in Ghana, but I do not know whether he's going to play or he's just going to is going for vacation or going for something, or maybe probably to watch the match or to play. I do not know, but that is what my people, just told me this evening, today Sunday, that tomorrow Monday Tariq Lamptey will be going to Ghana, and I don't know. Yeah, so that is what I have for you guys, and a lot of people asking about the squad. I do not really have problem about the squad. Anyone they call, I believe in the coach. He know what he's doing. So if the coach, what we the fans want, we the Ghanaians, the fans, we want is win. So if the coach believe that this is a squad that can able to win the game, the two games, the African Cup of Nations 2 qualifiers that coming up, I do not have a problem. When the call up came up about against Nigeria, we was talking and all that. And at the end of the day, it proved us wrong. So I I do not have problem. He know better than us. So yeah. But the only problem I have is that sometimes, since Coach Ochoado came, is when they call up came, there is not any press conference or something like that. That is my only problem. A lot of people may ask why that is important for me to make. Yeah, it is important for me, not just only me, but Ghanaians in the media to know why this player was not in, why this player was called, to me, to my own opinion. So that is the only problem I have with the coach and the GFA. At least they should organize some press conference and the media to ask questions and all that. Even the whole England, when the call up came out, Gasake came out to address it, and everybody was there to ask questions and all that. So I think that's the problem I have. And if Coach Ochoado want to get the love from Ghanaians, they have to be careful with those things, because call up will come and we don't know why this player was in, why this player wasn't called. You see, it is your duty to come out to let us know. So that's the only problem I was having. But apart from that, the players call up, I do not have any problem about the players that are in camp. I believe that anybody that put the national jersey are willing to give their best. So yeah, so guys, I like I said, me personally, I don't have problem with the call up that out there, but my problem is press conference for us to know why this one was in, why this one was not there. Yeah, that is all. So guys, once again, what do you think about this? Tariq Lamptey going to Ghana tomorrow Monday or Tuesday? Do you think that is going to play, or do you think that is just going for holidays? And have a latest news coming up